My name is Don Wills and I'm a tractor technician. We do everything from top to bottom, front to back, interior work to oil changes, any kind of maintenance that's required. I love it.
My name is Rocky Brock and I'm a major wreck rebuilder. When the trucks get pretty much totaled down the road, we have them towed in and then we bring them in the shop and a lot of times strip them down to the frames, pull the cab, the sleeper, and sometimes even pull the motor and transmission. It's a very dependable job. Great work environment.
Hi, I'm Caleb Staggs and I'm a trailer mechanic. I wanted to come here to gain experience and to really get on-hand knowledge about what I can do and to grow my career into what it is today. We're doing all kinds of repairs, anything from minor DOT stuff like lights and everything else all the way to rebuilds. I think it's really fun to get something new every day.
The 3.5 on, 3.5 off works great. My shift, I work Sunday through Tuesday from 6 in the morning to 6 at night. And then Wednesday we come in at 6 in the morning and we get off at 11:30.
My shift is Wednesday through Saturday, so I come and work 7 hours on Wednesday and then I work 12 hours to the rest of the week. And then I'm off Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. It's nice having 3 days off.
The days off are worth it, especially if you have any kind of hobbies or a family life.
In the shops, they have a $200 tool reimbursement program, which you can spend on tools or boots or even towards some glasses.
And we can use that for anything we want for our tools for reimbursement. Everything I own is mine.
It's helpful to have your own tools because you don't have to worry about waiting on things.
If you like having, working at your own pace, you like having on-hand experience, and you like having lots of time off on that weekend is really nice to spend with family, CFI is the company for you.
You can go somewhere else. You're not going to get the environment that you get here. You're not going to get the company and the loyalty that you get here.
It's very rewarding at the end of the day to turn back and look what you've done. I'm real glad I did. You know, I've been raising a family through CFI.